With literally hundreds of driveways installed across Metro Vancouver, Valroc Development is your go-to contractor. We have experience working with almost every municipality throughout the Lower Mainland, including Langley, White Rock, Surrey, Cloverdale, Burnaby, Maple Ridge. This experience gives us not only a deeper understanding, we've really seen it all when it comes to driveways. Valroc not only takes care of all the permits and applications, but also handles the demolition, quality materials, formwork, ordering and placing concrete. And remember, you've always got a choice when it comes to Valroc: color, textures, broom, aggregate, or stamped concrete. And yes, of course, we do multiple driveway packages. Just call us. We're ready.